Good day, everyone. I'm Rich Frawley. I'm the Director of Training here at ADF Solutions, and today we're going to show you how to get started with the Video Source add-on. You may have shown some interest in capturing HDMI output, and we're going to show you how to get going with that. First, connecting to your video source, you're going to need the license upgrade. All right, we're going to have to turn it on for you to use it. It's very simple. Exchange of license, downloading a new license, and we'll get you up and running. It will automatically detect any built-in or USB webcams, so those are automatically connected. Anything else, you're going to need a media capture card in order to grab that HDMI signal and get it into Mobile Device Investigator or ADF Pro. And you're also, of course, going to need the HDMI cables and or these specific adapters for whatever you're trying to connect. If you're using a gaming system, it's just an HDMI cable from the gaming system to the media capture card. But if you are going to grab the HDMI signal out of an iPhone, you're going to need a specific iPhone adapter as shown here. And it's always good to have a USB-C HDMI cable ready, or a adapter as shown here that has USB and HDMI on it as well. So a video capture card adapter decodes and sends the signal from an HDMI source, such as a camera, a game console, a laptop, a Chromebook, to the host computer, to your computer that you're using. On that computer, the ADF application will process that video signal and create your screen recordings or screenshots to be used during your investigation. And I have just a couple of pictures here of some ones you can find out on Amazon if you're going to be trying this out. I use something similar to the one on the left, where the gaming console would go into the media capture card, and then the signal out of the media capture card goes into your computer and right into ADF Pro or MDI. What are your possibilities in using this? Well, as I mentioned before, you have your webcams or USB cameras that automatically get detected. If you need to photograph on-scene devices, if you need a fallback, you are doing screenshots or screen recordings with a victim or witness, or you're documenting your undercover chats and you need to do a secret chat, which won't be shown through screenshot or screen recording, you could fall back to this method and take pictures with a webcam or a USB camera or a document camera or whatever you may have hooked up and automatically detected. You could do your gaming systems, streaming devices, Fire Sticks, Rokus, right? A lot of people use the streaming devices, and they're all the apps that are on there. So if you have access to that, you can get it into the media capture card and then start going through all that. Again, Chromebooks, laptops. Think of the laptops that are 32-bit, right? That a lot of the modern tools aren't working on anymore. This will help you do that with screenshots and screen recordings. Phones other than your device and MTP connection. So if you need to fall back, as I was mentioning before, maybe it's a broken screen, you get that HDMI signal out of the device and see what's on it. And then any other media that you can get into that capture card or into your computer. Something you want to isolate screen captures from VHS or CDs and DVDs or tape, CCTV, you should be able to get those as well. And here's just a picture of when it is connected in the source device. You will not actually see the gaming system, your Xbox, your PS3, or your Roku stick. What you're going to see is the MirrorBox. Mine's a MirrorBox video capture card. You will see that capture card as the source device, and anything coming through that is what you are going to screen capture. All right, so that's getting you started. Once you have all this and you're ready to go, you have your license. We do have a video, adfsolutions.com/how-to-videos, and search for HDMI capture, and it's another video on walking through the process from beginning to end. All right, that's it for this video. Have a great day.